Lavender has antiseptic properties. It is used in the treatment of respiratory infections, such as rhinitis, bronchitis, laryngitis, of which it also relieves pain. It also has an action against sinusitis. Lavender comes from the Latin miser, which means to wash, to purify. It was used in antiquity to treat wounds and burns. It was later used against lice and bedbugs, diphtheria, and tuberculosis. It is a shrub of 50 centimeters to 1 meter in height, endowed with lanceolate leaves. Its characteristic and fragrant flowers are blue-purple. It grows around the Mediterranean. It is cultivated in Europe and the United States. The use of lavender essence must be the subject of a medical opinion. The plant is contraindicated in children under 6 years of age, because of the risk of laryngeal spasm, contraction of the larynx, and in pregnant or breastfeeding women. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.